prep it that may help you out when you have it. One is removing the doors and mirrors, and of course in reverse it would be to add them. Just a quick note, every once in a while, you know, it's a lot of moving around, you maybe just want to tighten these bolts up. Sometimes they may come a little loose. And the same will be inside here too, where the components for up in here, sometimes these will come a little loose. So sometimes it's good just to get Allen's wrench and just tighten them back up. So taking them off is real easy. All you're really going to need is, what is this? The number 50 star bit. So that's the number 50, and the other one is the number 40 star bit. The number 50 one is to remove the pin down here, and the 40 would be to, the only reason I need the 40 is so that, remember in here, in the other past video I said I put on the driver's side one, only this one I put a couple of washers in here. So it's just to maybe loosen this up to take the washers out, to put the washers in, and just put it back in. Alright, so now to begin, let's see here. So for getting my number 50 bit, there's normally two in here, and I think I have the other one somewhere. I'll try to find them. But there's one that goes in the bottom of each one that holds this in. And it's the same. You use the same one for these doors and the same one for the regular doors too as well. So you don't have a separate set. And I only put one in because it's just really to hold it in. One is not going to bounce out, but I think for me it's more of a security. You don't want somebody to just walk up and snatch the doors away from you. And that's it right there. That's all you have to do. It's that short. Just a little short one. Yeah. And now for removing them, it's the same thing for all of them, so I'm going to show you on one. So you want to put it at about a 45 angle, and then at that point just grab it and lift up. That's it. That's how quickly it comes off. See how easy that is? And then the two, when you're ready to put it on, you just line it up and drop it in. That's it. And then you put the little pin in. And it's that easy for the regular doors too as well, although the regular doors are a little bit more heavy. And plus you gotta plug them in, but I'll show you that too as well. So that's for the doors. Alright, I'm trying to think if there's anything else with the doors. Oh, when you're using these doors, then always make sure to give them a good pull before you go pulling off. I always check all four of my doors before I go to drive off, because if somebody didn't close it, or you just didn't close it all the way, you think it's closed, you start riding, and then turn the corner, and then next thing you know, one come rolling over and open it for you. So just remember to do that. So that's for taking that door off, okay? Oh, I might as well show you for the mirror too while we're at it. So the mirror is pretty simple as well. You just unscrew it like that, and that's it. Just do that, and that'll come on out. There's a washer. And so that's it there. Just comes out. These come off too as well, because they really can be used on either side, so it depends on how you orientate it in there, well, with the angle that you want. Now the bracket up here, you can take it off or you can leave it on. I just leave it on because it's already one less step I have to do when it's time to switch it back over. But it's your call whether you want to, but it just uses the same star bit up there too as well if you decide you want to take it off. Alright?